Honda RC213V officially uses exhaust made by Akrapovic. The use of this exhaust will begin in the 2023 MotoGP season. This company, which originates from Slovenia, is engaged in the manufacture of exhaust systems or mufflers, especially motorcycles and cars. Honda's decision to replace the old SC Project exhaust to improve the performance of the Honda RC213V motorbike. Marc Marquez demands, who wanted his motorbike to be competitive, made Honda continue to improve the use of exhaust into one of the motor components developed. So how important is the exhaust system on a MotoGP motorbike? Engineer Mario Uncini Manganelli said the exhaust is one of the fundamental components of the vehicle. Of course, the manufacturer will carry out developments during the MotoGP season. The top teams also use different systems depending on the specifics of the track. There is a system designed for fast tracks, which emphasizes maximum power. Others increase acceleration, thereby increasing torque, and are used on more winding tracks.